The Noranda Bauxite Company is responding strongly to critics over the controversy surrounding mining in the cockpit country. At a recent meeting of the St. Ann Chamber of Commerce, a senior member of the company's management team blasted utterances in some media reports as misinformation.
Noranda Bauxite Company has been on the receiving end of a public backlash over concerns about mining in the cockpit country. But Vice President and General Manager of Noranda Bauxite Partners, Delroy Dell, has a warning.
Don't believe everything you hear.
Much has been said about where the mining will take place. Environmentalists have raised alarm about flora and fauna being at risk. Concerns were also raised about heritage sites such as maroon settlements.
The area we are in fact seeking approval to mine is known as Special Mining Lease 173. About 8,900 hectares that is adjoins and is outside the borders of the protected area. Once our mining operations start, only 15% of the lands in that area will be touched by our mining operations. Contrary to what you have heard, we are not mining and we have never mined in the cockpit country protected area designated by the government and by the government of Jamaica.
Another concern, the risk of contaminating water supplies.
There has been absolutely no data which indicates that the operation has impacted water supply. Wouldn't it be reasonable to assume that after 50 years, that if we were impacting the water, that would have been discovered by now?
Mr. Dell says persons should get the facts, as there are even rumors about the extent of the current mining operations.
Most people who are familiar with any map of Jamaica will clearly identify that both towns, both maroon settlements, are in the parishes of St. James and St. Elizabeth, very far. So we will be dependent on your support, as much as support from our friends in Trelawney and beyond our borders, to get over the hurdles of misinformation and misunderstanding that have been spread around regarding our plans, our presence, and the impact of our mining operations. I know that
Nick Dawkins, TVJ News.